लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए वोटिंग शुरू हो चुकी है। आज पहले राउंड के तहत देश भर में वोट डाले जा रहे हैं। पश्चिम बंगाल में पहले राउंड की वोटिंग शुरू होते ही राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस कालीघाट मंदिर पहुंचे और वहां उन्होंने पूजा की। इस मौके पर राज्यपाल सीवी आनंद बोस ने लोगों से अपना वोट डालने की अपील की। साथ ही उन्होंने निष्पक्ष और सुरक्षित वोटिंग होने की उम्मीद भी जताई। राज्यपाल ने सभी से शांति बनाए रखने की अपील भी की है। बता दें कि पहले राउंड की वोटिंग शुरू होने से पहले राज्यपाल उत्तर बंगाल के दौरे पर जाना चाहते थे, लेकिन चुनाव आयोग ने उनके उत्तर बंगाल जाने पर रोक लगा दी।
I pray for the well-being of the people of Bengal and also for a free and fair election.
Yes. Sir, from yesterday only incidents of violence and news of violence are coming from different parts of North Bengal. What would you say, sir?
See, the election commission is expected to deal with this effectively. I am confident that the election commission is prepared for that.
Yes, sir. Sir, what are your next? Where will you go next today, sir? Is there any program?
I am going to Ravindra Bharati now. Then I will go to the Energy Subhash Chandra Bose, and also the rest of it is being chopped out.
Okay. Sir, yesterday we have seen, and the last day also in Ramnavi, there was bombing, and yesterday also many political persons, they have been stabbed, they have been beaten up. Election Commission is saying, has been saying from the very first to keep peace and harmony everywhere. But situation is not like this. This is the first phase of election. More 6 phases are there to come. Will you give any message to the parties or the people of Bengal?
Peace and harmony is something which the people of Bengal want, the people of Bengal deserve. It is up to the authorities to ensure that there is maintenance of law and order in the state, particularly during election. Violence has to be avoided at any cost, and any perpetrators of violence has to be booked, and stern action should be taken. That is the responsibility of the election commission. Now they should do that.
सर, आप नॉर्थ बंगाल जाना चाहते थे पर आप नहीं जा पाए, इसके बारे में क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
I wanted to go to North Bengal. That became a political issue. I did not want governor to be made a pawn in the political chess game. I do not believe in knee-jerk reactions. Therefore, I decided to confine myself to Calcutta. But wherever people need me, I will reach there.
So if there is any incident of violence today in the first poll, will you visit there? Will you visit those places?
That depends on the nature of the incident.
सर, आज पीस रूम में क्या आपको
I will be spending more time in the peace room now. Since I am not going to North Bengal for certain reasons, I thought I should be available to the people 24/7. I will be there, my staff will be there. The peace room will be more active than it earlier was.
So what is the issue on the information from peace room are being given somewhere else? There was a complaint from the Raj Bhavan yesterday. What was the issue on that? Who is catering this?
That is a serious lapse which the Raj Bhavan has noticed. Sensitive information which is shared during election cannot be shared with others as per the Election Commission manual. We have very reason to believe that this has been flouted. Who has flouted is something which is to be established in investigation. We are very serious about that. We will take it forward to the logical conclusion.
So did you get any clue who is leaking this information, from where it's getting leaked?
I have the clue, I have the information, but this is not the time to share that.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.